In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan a two-sided document on your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. We will use the HP Smart app, and the printer is already set up and connected to the network. So let's place the document onto the flatbed scanner. On our mobile phone, start up HP Smart. Select Printer Scan. Let's scan. Page 1 is Scan. To scan the second side, go to Next. Select Add. Let's flip over the page. So we'll flip over to Scan Page 2. Let's scan the second side. Page 2 is Scan. Go to Next. Now you can continue adding pages or reorder or even rotate the document. So you can save the document. Give a file name and you can select the file type to be image or PDF. So this is how you scan a two-sided document on your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.